Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we have Tablescape Tuesdays and I am so excited. This is absolutely a great collaboration and it's even greater because today we have a special guest and her name is Gigi Faison. Now Gigi wanted the theme to be black and gold pumpkin patch. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure guys and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist so that you can watch what everybody created today with the black and gold pumpkin patch. Now, if you guys haven't been over to Gigi Faison's channel, you have to go over there. She has so many different things. She has decorating, she has tablescapes, she has coffee bars and beverage bars, and she has so many things on her channel. All of them are so awesome. She's a beautiful person. Head on over there, show her some love, and make sure that you tell everybody that I sent you. Now, I just want to take a moment and thank all of those who not only join in our collaboration in order to support us, but you also support us by watching. But don't ever be afraid or hesitate in jumping in. Listen, we have to take a step, and I would love for you to join us. You don't need an invitation. It is an open collaboration for everyone, so everyone is cordially invited. And the nice thing about Tablescape Tuesdays is that it's going out as a playlist and it's being spread out all throughout social media, which will help our channels to grow. So as you can see here, I decided to go ahead and do my gold and black pumpkin patch out here on my porch. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue decorating this table. I'll see you at the end. Now remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free, and clicking that like button and full watching the video helps me to grow. And don't forget to comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now here we are at the reveal and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to leave you for a few minutes and then I'll come back in. Okay, so let's talk about the tablescape real quick. We have the lantern on the back ledge over there that came from Walmart. All of the pumpkins I DIY'd, including those two candle holders that are sitting on the table. Also, they're sitting on top of a mirror that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now the chargers came from Hobby Lobby, and the boa that came from Party City. The utensils, they came from the Dollar Tree along with that gold tie, and the tablecloth was a thrifted item. So overall, I would say it's an absolutely gorgeous tablescape. I hope you guys agree, and I hope Gigi loves this. I really do. I do want to take a quick moment just to thank Amethyst Adventures Courtney for hosting this wonderful collaboration with me. It's a pleasure having you as a host. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.